Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Mrs. Bojanowski's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing Fundations Unit 11, Week 1, Day 3. We're going to review our vowel sounds, both short and long vowel sounds. We're going to build a few words that have a magic E in them. We're going to mark up those words, and then we also have a word of the day. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is start with our vowel sounds, and make sure you're repeating after me. And boys and girls, remember the dash in these cards here, that's a consonant, okay? Remember the E at the end of the word makes that vowel say its name, okay? So we have A, apple, A, safe, A. E, ed, E, Pete, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, Now remember, boys and girls, you can make two different sounds when it has the magic E at the end. So it can sound like this: you, mule, you, or you, rule, oo. All right, great job, boys and girls. All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to build a word up here. And then I'm going to add a magic E at the end, and I'm going to see if you can figure out what the new word is. All right, my first word is this. And go ahead and tap it out if you need to. Dim. If something is dim, there's not very much light. So you might walk into a classroom and say, wow, it's really dim in here because all the blinds are closed. Maybe we should open them up so it's a little bit brighter. So if something is dim, there's not much light. All right, I'm going to add this magic E to the end. See if you can figure out what our new word is. Remember, this E jumps over to the I and makes this I say its name, but that busiest letter in the alphabet doesn't say anything. Let's try this together. I'm. Dime. Boys and girls, a dime is a coin that's worth 10 cents. Awesome job. All right, the next one I want you to try is this word. All right, if you remember, S, when it's a suffix at the end of the word, can sometimes say S or Z, and S can sometimes say Z in between two vowels. And in this case, it does. So let's try this together. Eyes, eyes, rise. Rise means to lift something up. All right, awesome job. All right, the next word I want you to try is this one here. And I'm going to put a blend at the beginning. Gull. All right, go ahead and try that one. Glob. You might say you have a glob of glue on your paper if you squirt a whole bunch on it. It's a big pile of something. So a glob of glue. We're going to change the word glob into, what do you think? Let's try it. Remember, the E jumps over to the O, makes that O say its name, and the E doesn't say anything. Let's try this together. Globe. globe, globe. All right, boys and girls, what a globe is, it's a three-dimensional circle, which is a sphere, and it represents the whole earth. You might have seen one in a classroom before, okay? And this just happens to be our word of the day. So we're going to take the word globe and write it in a sentence for our word of the day. All right, boys and girls, the sentence that I came up with for our word of the day, globe, is, I see the United States on the globe. So I'm going to go ahead and write that sentence. I see the, oh, I think I can hear some of you already. Did I make a mistake? Yes, the letter I should be capitalized. And remember, it should be capitalized for two reasons. It's the beginning of a sentence, and the word I is always capitalized. Not the letter I, the word I is always capitalized. I see the United States on the globe. All right, how's that look? Oh, you're right. I forgot my end punctuation. There we go. I see the United States on the globe. All right, the first thing I want to do is look at our word of the day, and I want to mark up that word. All right, let's remember, marking up a word with a magic E has quite a few steps, okay? So let's see if we can remember them all. So we know the word globe. We're going to underline that syllable. Now, is it a closed syllable? Nope, it's not a closed syllable. It's a vowel consonant E syllable. So we're going to put this V-E. That stands for vowel consonant magic E. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put, remember the straight line we put on the top? Not the curved line. The straight line means that this vowel says its name. Who made that vowel say its name? Yep, that E. But remember that E doesn't say anything. All right, I'm looking at this word right above it. States. The United States has many states. So that means more than one. So let's look at this word state. How does that A say A and not A? You're right, because of that E right there. So we're going to mark this up the same way we did this one right here. There's the syllable. This tells us what kind of syllable it is. This A says A because of that busy letter E. Awesome job. All right, let's see what else we can mark up. I see some digraphs. See if that can get any darker there. All right, what about our trick words? What about this one? If I tap that word out, it would be eh. So it would be a trick word. The is a trick word. What about this word? On. Remember, if I can tap it out, it's not a trick word. So that one is not a trick word. And we have the again. I spy a vowel team right there. All right, I think we're pretty good here, boys and girls. All right, what your job is going to be for today is I want you to come up with a sentence using the word globe. If you want to use my sentence, you can. If you want to come up with a completely new one, you can. So that is going to be your job, along with continuing to try to find those magic E words in the books that you're reading. Okay? Boys and girls, keep working hard. You're doing a great job. I miss you, and I will see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.